Hello guys, welcome to our channel how to get all answers to our how to questions. Today we are going to see that how to insert the icons in our post. For example, icons I will be showing you, I will be creating this type of content for you. Here the icons are like this hand emoji and this Gmail icon and this one arrow icon and at the rate. I will be showing you how to create this type of content in Canva using these icons in the post. Okay, let's get started. For that you have to just open your Canva. I have opened by this one canva.com. Okay, in the previous video I have shown you how to open this and get started and how to create the post. So if you are not watched that video, then please go and watch that video. The link is in the description. So firstly you have to click the create design and custom size, and here you have to select this size. Okay, 1080. Okay, 1080 because this is a recommended size for all the social media platforms. So just create a new design. Okay. In this way I have already created some design, that is I have in previous video I will be inserting there also, there like this one. Okay, I will be inserting icons in this post. Okay, for you. For example, I have to insert this arrow icon. Okay, for that you have to go here elements. Okay, then click and type here icon name, that is arrow. Okay, sorry, arrow. Okay, here you will be seeing lots of arrows. Okay, here you have to select graphics. Here you will be seeing that there is a lots of arrows. Any type of arrow you can use. I will be using this. Okay, and drag and to increase and decrease the size of this and setting this. Okay, I can change the color of this icon also from there by clicking and then this, select this one and change the color. See, like this. Okay, now I will be selecting this and Control C and Control V. Okay, and clicking and dragging and dropping it down. Now again Control C and Control D, Control V, sorry, Control C and Control V, and this one like this. Okay, I will be inserting this type of icons like this. Okay, then I have to add this hand emoji. Okay, for that also you have to go to elements and here type hands. Okay, here graphics, here you will be finding lots of hands. Okay, these are simple hands. If you are specific the word like pointing hands, okay, then just write pointing at the end. Okay. Here you will be graphics, selecting here you see there is a lots of hands pointing towards that, and you will be selecting one of them. I will be selecting this, just drag, click and drag and drop to this, select the width and size of the icon. Okay, I will be dragging this somewhat here. Okay, like this. Next I have to add this email icon. For that also you have to go to elements and here type Gmail. Okay, simply Gmail and graphics. Here you will be finding lots of Gmail icons. Whatever you will like, you choose that. Okay, I will be choosing this one. Okay, click from here, increase decrease the size and set here, right? Yeah, perfect. Now at the end this is at the rate. Okay, for also just type at the rate. Okay, here you will be finding graphics and here is an icon. Okay, see, at the rate, this type of these things, anything you can choose. Okay, from this I will be choosing this and just increase decrease the size and set the size over this and just click and change the color over there. Okay, red, black, anything you can choose. So hope you have understood how to insert this type of icons in our post. Thank you for listening me, and please अपने how to questions post कर दे रही हो so that we can make a good stuff for you. लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट करना ना भूलिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी।